That was very own Mr. Jack Barton reporting from Brussels. Now, consumer spending saw very little change in Canada in March, with total retail sales basically flat. But some retailers are feeling the effects of consumer cautiousness more than others. For more on this, we go straight to the Toronto Stock Exchange and our details and everything else from our correspondent, Kristiaan Yeo. Hi, Kristiaan.
Hi, Phil. Yeah, flat month for sales in March here, 38.2 billion US dollars. Comparing that to February, not much of a change there. Gas prices have come down considerably here, and that's pushed sales down somewhat. If you take that out of the equation, you're looking at slight growth of 0.7%, but largely neither here nor there. The best performing sector for retail here, clothing stores, they saw sales go up by 3.5%. Not such a good month, though, for home furnishing stores. They saw sales drop by 1%. Now, it's a very difficult time for retailers here. Shaky consumer confidence, tough trading conditions, and of course, the looming threat of competition from online. Not since the advent of mail order or TV shopping has retail seen such a drastic shake-up as with the era of e-commerce. Internet shopping is taking the world by storm. In Canada, though, a country ripe for armchair retail, internet shopping is only just catching on.
I think it is because we have increased our online parcels and everything, so we're getting tons of it.
Yeah, I think it's like a fad. Everything sort of changes after a while. I just prefer to go in and see the product and not have to worry about if it's not right, sending it back and all that.
Consumers in Canada have been slow to warm to e-commerce, with less than half of Canadians shopping online.
It's very easy to service Canada with physical stores. That fundamentally, I think, held e-commerce back because Canadians really didn't need to order as many things online. It just wasn't a physical necessity the way it is in some markets in the US, where your only access to a retailer may be online.
But experts believe Canadian retailers had better work on their digital storefronts soon, or American heavyweights will move in and take the lion's share. Analysts warn that the e-commerce revolution is underway, and Canadian retailers must make sure they're ready. Rivals from the US know there's an appetite for choice here in Canada, made stronger by favourable exchange rates and more competitive pricing.
They are looking for those savings, where they can find something online that may be, 15, 20% cheaper, they're taking advantage of that. It is a huge threat. I think there's going to be tremendous upheaval and turmoil in the marketplace because, as we know, Amazon takes no prisoners.
So this onslaught of online competition really couldn't come at a worse time for many traditional Canadian retailers, most namely Sears Canada. Just today, it reported a loss of $30 million for the first quarter of this year. That's after 7 years of revenue declining. It's losing market share twofold to US rivals here. On the ground, it's losing out to Target, which has just moved in, and online, it's continuing to lose out to Amazon. It just can't match the prices that those two offer. It's also not got the prestige that, say, Nordstrom has, so it can't charge a premium either. Nordstrom's made impressive gains here in Canada just through its website, and it's announced that it plans to open its own stores here in Canada next year. Sears Canada, though, languishing in the middle somewhere. It's struggling to find its new role with consumers in the new retail landscape.
All right. Kristiaan Yeo, thank you very much. All about retail up there in Canada, joining us from the Stock Exchange there in